This video will show you how to add contraction joints and score lines. Contraction joints are the gaps between slabs of concrete to help prevent them from cracking. Score lines are grooves that have been cut into a concrete patio or other surface to create a specific design or pattern. Both of these can be created using accent strips. In this example, we will be adding contraction joints to our driveway and walkway. First, click the Building tab and then click Accent Strip. Left-click to add points and right-click to add the last point. I'm going to change the material to a solid dark gray, but use whatever color works best in your design. Set the width to around 1 inch. This is a bit wider than actual contraction joints, but will help ensure that we see them from a distance during a real-time walkthrough. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out ideaspectrum.com for more information and videos about our software.